Number 4, dogmatism. Or to be precise, the Scrum Master enjoys teaching. You may have heard the Shu Ha Ri model borrowed from martial arts. So, for example, if you have read Lisa Atkins' Coaching Agile Teams, there's a whole chapter on that. Shu Ha Ri is basically a pattern of achieving mastery. The idea is that ultimately the student shall surpass the master. There are 3 stages. Shu, follow the rule. Ha, break the rule. And Ri, be the rule. The style of the Scrum Master is supposed to change with the phases. In the Shu phase, it's actually teaching. What does teaching mean? Teaching means teaching the rules. So the student copies the techniques, is taught without modification and without attempting to understand the rationale behind them. Follow the rules way. Now the problem is that teaching feels good. Team members come to you and ask for help, so you have a purpose. People follow the rules, so you're exercising influence or even authority. And you can easily attribute the team's progress or success to your teaching. You're a master of what you do. Now, the issue is to become self-organizing. The team needs to move beyond the Shu phase, right? It needs to stand on its own feet. And if the Scrum Master doesn't like to leave this phase, if it likes to keep the team in the Shu phase to have a good time teaching it, it's certainly not helpful. Typical Shu anti-pattern would be that the application of Scrum is becoming mechanistic. The team is depending on the Scrum Master for each and everything. It's more about the Scrum Master than actually about the team. The result is some sort of cargo cult Scrum. You can easily spot it if you observe it.